welcome back to the channel. My name is Mayara, and if you have watched any other video of mine, you know that I am somebody who's obsessed with artificial intelligence. I'm a freelance brand and web designer, so AI tools are definitely a part of my day by now. Like ChatGPT is such a huge part of my life, a huge part of my work days. I don't have the budget, to hire 20 people to work for me at this point, and I love creating content, but I do have to keep working with clients. So AI tools definitely help me a ton. I am so obsessed with AI that I even scheduled a recurring event on my Google Calendar to dedicate 2 hours a week just to finding new tools. So, there are a bunch of tools that they are pretty popular by now, but every single day, and I think every single hour, there's a new tool coming out, and, there's just so much out there that people haven't even heard about that much. And I wanted to bring three tools that really do help me with my content creation, social media, YouTube, you name it. So I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna go over how I've been using these tools, how to use them. And in the meantime, you can hit that subscribe button. I create a lot of this type of content here. So if this is something that interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So tool number one is called Predis. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Predis AI. And basically, it does a lot of things. Like, for example, you can schedule social media posts here. But what I really liked about this tool, you can see here that I have already tested a little bit. I already created 3 posts with them. But you can like generate posts here. So both like the graphics and the text. So I'm going to create one here just to show you how that works. So I haven't really tried these other ones here. Maybe I'm gonna do that now. But this idea is really nice because basically what you can do is like choose a topic. Let's say they have a few options here like benefits of or explain how. So these are like set, right? Like you cannot change what's written here. Expected outcomes, mistakes customer is making. So mistakes customer is making when creating their e-commerce website. And you can choose if they will use, stock image or you will upload your own. Let's leave stock image for now. If it's a carousel video, so I love carousels. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. And here the style of the post, if it's like professional, playful, minimal. So let's go with professional and minimal. And you can add your brand palette, like color palette, to their like settings or something. So I added mine here, but I'm gonna go with a suggested, like AI suggested color palette. And the tone of voice, let's go with empathetic, because we are kind of pointing people's mistakes. So we want to also be kind while we do that. And we're going to generate post. Okay, so here we have our post. Is it great? No. um, I don't think this headline is really saying much about what we wanted it, what we wanted the post to be about. Let's see the caption that it generated. So I would add something like that here, like common mistakes people are making when using build online empire now. Like I never even mentioned that. Like I don't know why they repeated this so much. But yeah, like mistakes people are making when building their e-commerce store. So you can see the carousel here. I like what's written here, like using a generic template, ignoring the importance of responsiveness. Okay, so of course, this is like a starting point. There's a lot that we have to tweak here and just, add some content as well, or just make it shorter. Like nobody wants to see 10 pages of a carousel that has like 5 words per page. So, but this is a really like nice starting point. And, I really like that it creates the graphics as well. That's nice, but yeah, definitely there's a lot to be improved here. Let's create a new one, like just to test different options here. Like I said, they have the choice of post. They have this new meme option here. Write your meme idea here. Oh, okay. AI tools coming out every day. I don't know, I'm not very creative today. So you can choose the meme or you can go with an AI suggested. And let's see what it's going to suggest to us. It's an idea, right? Like I can keep up, but at least I have job security. Okay. So yeah, I think like this is a really great place to get new ideas for social media, especially Instagram. So let's try one last idea here. Not idea. Let's go with business quotes. Okay. Let's see. Business. So they already have the quotes, or you can write your own and it's going to create the graphics around that. Let's choose one from their list. When times are bad is when the real entrepreneurs emerge. Okay, let's go with a video this time. Okay, not available for quotes post. So let's go with a single image, AI suggested color palette, and let's generate it. Just looking at this, like the feed would look so ugly. So please, like, just take this as an inspiration. Don't use their graphics, they are not great. And yeah, like it's a very basic. This is not going well with the color of my logo. Overall, like I really like this tool. I think there is room for improvement. Of course, I think they're still gonna grow quite a lot, but it's really nice to see, that there is a tool that creates both the copy and the graphics. I feel like if you're not really tech savvy, if you don't love graphic design, and but you have to create content for your brand, this is a good place to start from. And then you can schedule posts straight from here, organized by folders. So, if you're creating a lot of posts, you can just set tags here, download creative. So there's a lot that you can do. They also have this chat thing. I think for chat, we all know that ChatGPT is kind of the best there is at the moment. And but you can come over here and kind of they have some ideas, or you can type something. Let's go with this one. Generate 3 viral Instagram reel ideas about my health consulting sessions. Let's see what about my business consulting sessions, because I do offer business consulting sessions, so that should be interesting. Very like generic before and after transformation reel, Q&A with a business coach, a day in the life. So yeah, nothing too out of the box, but again, if you need some inspiration, if you haven't been feeling the most creative, I think Predis AI is a really great place to start from. Okay, so quickly here, I came back to Predis because I was not satisfied with the first 3 results that we got, and I created a new post about the reasons why somebody would buy. So reasons people will buy visual identity services. And I kept everything the same. So AI suggested stock photos, carousel. The only thing I changed was it used my own color palette, so the one that I added to the settings here. And this post is just so much better than the one about e-commerce. So it really just goes to show that you have to test and just experiment, play around with it, and don't just take the first option it gives you. I think there is an option to edit the design here, kind of like Canva, like their own graphic editor. And yeah, it's not as developed as Canva, but this is already something. And I think you can change colors here, delete text, change text. So Predis is a really great tool. I still recommend it, even if some of the posts are not amazing when they first come out. I think you can get great ideas from this tool. Then the second tool is this one called Write Cream, and it's basically another copywriting artificial intelligence tool. But what I really liked about this one is this topic, like video topic generator, like ideas for YouTube videos. But you can also use for short form. I don't think it's an issue at all. It gives you really great ideas. They don't give you a script. So let me show you how it works. It's really simple. So you click here and create. So I was testing this AI tools for social media. And let me think of something else that we can test here. The first thing that came to my mind, digital business card is kind of the main topic, the keyword. And then the video topic, tutorials on how to create a business, like a digital business card for yourself and your team. So let's see what it gives us. So these, I actually love it because I think these are really great ideas. So for example, 5 essential elements of a digital business card. This is great like for a short form video. How to create a modern and professional digital business card. This could already be like maybe a tutorial, like a longer video for YouTube. Let's try something else. So selling digital products as a graphic designer, platforms where you can sell digital products, ideas to get you started. So let's see. 10 best platforms to sell your digital products. This could be maybe an Instagram carousel. 10 digital products you can sell as a graphic designer. That could be a YouTube video. So you see, like, this is actually a really great tool. I'm not quite sure it's like forever free. I don't think it's free, but since I created my account, it hasn't like asked me to enter credit card details or anything like that. I think I have a number of credits I can use, maybe 20. And I think each time you generate, yeah, you see I have 17. So each time you generate something, it's 1 credit. So definitely check it out. I'm going to test their other like generators and options as well, because that one was really good. Like, I really liked the ideas. I know that ChatGPT can also do that, of course, but it's just nice when you don't have to be like typing, give me ideas for a video like this, like that. It's just like you go here, you give your topic, and you get something back. So this is a really nice tool. Check it out. It's called Write Cream. Then last but not least, Opus Clip, opus.pro. That's their website. And this one is just amazing. My latest short I created using this tool, so you can check it out. I'm gonna link it as well because it does a wonderful job. So basically, it creates like snippets, clips from your YouTube videos. It's only like for YouTube, you have to paste a link here, so you cannot upload your video. It has to be a YouTube link, and it gives you here like some suggestions, like not to use vlogs or music videos, because the idea is to maybe grab something that could potentially go viral. So I'm going to paste a link here, and it takes some time. Like, it takes about 40 minutes, 45 minutes for you to have all the clips, but it generates 10 clips. So I did that now. I'm going to show you like how that looks when they are generating, but you can register and then you're going to get a notification when it's ready. So you see like more or less 50 minutes. I think it's going to be less because I'm number 8 in the queue. Like yesterday I was, I think, number 50, and it was still like, it still said 50 minutes. So usually like half an hour you should have your clips, but I already did that with a different video. It's a video I created a while ago about Pinterest, and it even gives you the title, a score, like the likelihood of it becoming viral, like it going viral. So number 1 is the like highest score, but it does generate 10 clips here. And of course the score goes lower, like maybe this one, it's not really that great. Like maybe it's gonna cut in the middle of a phrase that people are not really gonna understand what I'm talking about. So usually the first and second one are the best. I'm going to check to see if it's okay, but if not, I can just come over here to edit and edit the subtitles. Like maybe it understood a word wrong or something like that. So you can go and just edit the text or which text you wanted to highlight. So this is so nice. So I see here, for example, where is it? It also means, it's not makes, so means. Ooh. So I can change the subtitles here, and then I can just save and download it. And it doesn't have any watermarks. It's just it's amazing because I know of other tools that do the same, but if you don't pay for them, there's gonna be a watermark somewhere in your video. But this one, it's perfect. So those are the 3 like new, not so popular tools that I recommend you check out if you are a content creator. Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna test first, or if there's any tool that you're already using that's making your life easier as a content creator. All the links are in the description below. Please leave your like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.